Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm just on quickly to share with you. I'm donating something. Now, I'm just really clearing out all my notebooks. I really just don't need so many, and some of them I don't even like. So let's start with actually, first of all, I'd just like to say that I do have a playlist that's called Donate Something. I haven't donated anything. I haven't donated anything from November last year. So it's just over a year now, right? Might as well say year, because we're just in December. But I have been donating quite a lot. Now, I really did not want to give away any of my notebooks. I did give away some. I did donate some. I think might have been the last video I did in November last year. I showed you where I gave away some notebooks, but I was finding it quite hard to let go. But now I'm just seeing them there. I'm not using them. Some of them I don't like, so it's time. Before the new year sets in, I just thought, let me just take the plunge, and I've got so much more room. I might do a little bit more purging, but there's nothing more right now that I would want to give away. So let me begin. This, I think I got in some Christmas stuff last year. Not 2023 actually. I did make a little note in there. That's why I know it's 2023, because I tore it out. So that's going. I don't like the paper. The paper is really cheap and thin. So that's gonna go. Right, these I've had for the longest time. So these are going, but I want the covers. I'm keeping the covers. I want these because I might just do something with them. They can go. Again, I don't like the paper. Thin and just cheapy. Even if I doubled them, glued two together, they're still very flimsy. But I want these because I might just make a couple of journals. This is nice. It's recycled paper, of course. It was gifted to me, but I don't like it. I don't know what I would do with this brown paper, so that's going. Let me gain frame. Okay, so I hope you saw all these. I hope, yeah. And these papers are just so horrible, and this has definitely got to go. I don't know what I would do with it. No, this is a 2024 journal, but or planner, but I mean, someone could always alter the dates. I just thought I would give that away as well. This is, well, this has not been used. Let me just double check. There we go. Not been used, so that can go. I'll put it back in the wrapper in a little while. I wrote something in the front page of this one, and I tore that out, but I've never really had any use for it. This is a really nice cover with the marble effect, but the paper, again, it's horrible. This is brand new, never been used. This one is brand new, never been used as well. Again, I don't like the paper. It's just too thin. And this, a minute, these here. This was also gifted to me. It's a nice book, but it will suit someone else that travels maybe a bit more frequent than me and likes to journal about it. It is a nice book. It's just that I'm not going to have any use for it. And remember, I can make my own journals. That's what I'm finding now, that even though I always have, I still do. Not all of them I record, but I still do make journals. And I don't have any need for all these notebooks. I must admit, I do have a few more left here, but those are specifically for usage. I will definitely use what I have got there, what I'm looking at on my bookshelf. I've got some room now that I can put the rest of my used journals on the shelf. So that is it, and I'm happy that they're going to a good home. These are going into the car tomorrow. I've got some errands to do tomorrow, so I'm gonna just drop these into the charity shop tomorrow as well while I'm out on my little errands. Alright, so Donate Something is off to charity and I will put the playlist in the description below. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.